Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Now choose alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. So must click. Following that, you need to set up an hour and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. When you're ready, scroll down and click on the switchers next to all of those features to switch them off or on. Following that, choose alarm name over here and click on vibration. Now you can select one of those vibration patterns for your incoming calls, for your incoming alarms, by tapping on the best one for you, like spinning, and when you're ready, simply go back. Now tap on snooze and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then go back again and tap on alarm sound. Over here you can change volume of your alarm by swiping left or right. You can also pick one of the sound sources like Spotify, or click on ringtone and tap on allow. Then select one of those melodies as your desired one, like that one, and go back to save your changes. But you can also click on the same ringtone settings, but this time tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. Now select song from your smartphone, save it by tapping on done at the top right corner as well, and simply go back. To save your alarm, select Save. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same one. If you wish to get rid of your alarm, you need to hold it. Tap on delete icon over here, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!